Hi, this is Thirumurugan. This video we are going to see 5 kind of refreshing traditional summer drink recipe. First one is Sabja cool drink. Sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds or Turmeric seeds, are popular ingredients in many Indian summer drinks because they are believed to have a cooling properties. When soaked in water, sabja seeds absorb the liquid and swell up, creating a gel-like texture. This texture is believed to help soothe the digestive system and cool down the body. To use sabja seeds in a drink, simply soak in a tablespoon of sabja seeds in a cup of water for 15 to 20 minutes until they become gelatinous. Gelatinous means swelling. So you can add them to your favorite summer drink like lemonade or coconut water or even iced tea. You can also add a dash of lime or honey to enhance the flavor. However, it's important to note that while sabja seeds are generally considered safe and healthy, they can cause some side effects like diarrhea, bloating and gas if consumed in excess. So it's best to consume them in moderation. The next drink is Jal Jeera. Jal means water, Jeera means it indicating the cumin. So the ingredients that include 2 tablespoons of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon dried mint leaves, half tablespoon black salt, half tablespoon dry ginger powder, quarter black pepper powder, quarter tablespoon of cumin powder, quarter tablespoon of chaat masala, 1 lemon juiced and 4 cup water, then ice cubes, mint leaves and lemon wedges for garnish, that is optional. Preparation instructions: in a pan, dry roast the cumin seeds, coriander seeds and fennel seeds on medium heat until fragrant. Grind the roasted seeds into a fine powder using a spice grinder or mortar or pestle. Then add the grounded spice mix, dried mint leaves, black salt, dry ginger powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, chaat masala and lemon juice to a large pitcher. Then mix well and add 4 cups of water. Stir until everything is well combined. Add ice cubes and garnish with mint leaves and lemon wedges if desired. Serve chilled and enjoy. Third recipe is iced tea. I think most of them heard about this iced tea. The ingredients include 4 cup of water, 4 black tea bags and quarter cup honey or sugar, adjust to your taste, and 1 lemon sliced, and then ice cubes. Instructions are: bring 4 cups of water to a boil in a pot. Then turn up the heat and add 4 tea bags. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how strong you like your tea. Remove the tea bags and add honey or sugar to the pot. Stir well until the sweetener has dissolved. Let the tea cool to room temperature and then transfer to a pitcher. Add sliced lemons and ice cubes to the pitcher. Stir well and refrigerate until chilled. Serve and enjoy your delicious homemade iced tea. Fourth one is Aam Panna. Aam Panna is a refreshing and delicious drink made with raw mangoes, sugar and spices. It's a popular drink in India during the summer months as it helps to cool down the body and prevent heat strokes. Here is a simple recipe to make Aam Panna. Ingredients are 2 raw mangoes, half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon black salt, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, mint leaves for garnish, ice cubes and 4 cups of water. Instructions for making Aam Panna: first, wash the raw mangoes. Boil them until they are soft. Once the mangoes are cool enough to handle, peel the skin and remove the pulp. In a blender, blend the mango pulp until it becomes smooth and creamy. Add sugar, roasted cumin powder, black salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder and 4 cups of everything together until well combined. Transfer the Aam Panna mixture to a pitcher and refrigerate until chilled. Add ice cubes to the serving glasses and pour the Aam Panna over the ice. Garnish with mint leaves and serve chilled. Fifth drink is Panakam, the traditional South Indian drink called Panakam, which is made using tamarind pulp, jaggery, ginger and water. Panakam is a refreshing and healthy drink that is believed to have cooling properties, making it an ideal drink for hot summer days. To make Panakam drink, soak a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind in a warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then extract the pulp and strain it to remove any seeds or fibers. In a separate bowl, dissolve jaggery in water and add grated ginger, roasted cumin powder and the tamarind pulp. Mix well and strain the mixture to remove any impurities. Finally, add cold water and serve chilled or at room temperature. Panakam is not only a great thirst quencher, but it's also rich in vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, and it's believed to aid digestion and boost immunity. It's also a healthier alternative to sugary drinks, as jaggery is a natural sweetener that is rich in iron and other essential nutrients. So if you are looking for a refreshing and healthy drink to beat the heat this summer, give Panakam a try. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel.